Ever wonder how to tell if that amazing deal on a New York City pass is real or perhaps just a bit too good to be true? Ensuring your passes are authentic is a crucial step for a smooth and enjoyable trip. When checking official New York City passes, always look for specific security features designed to confirm their authenticity and protect your experience. These details are your best defense against counterfeit tickets. These security features are crucial because they deter counterfeiting, ensuring your pass is valid and preventing you from falling victim to scams. Legitimate passes representing an investment in your travel plans, granting you access to incredible experiences, so verifying their authenticity safeguards that investment. Official passes often incorporate advanced printing techniques that are difficult for unauthorized sellers to replicate. To begin, check for holograms or iridescent foil elements that shift colors or display three-dimensional images when tilted. Many passes also include watermarks, which become visible when you hold the pass up to a light source. Next, examine the unique serial number or barcode, which should be printed clearly and typically linked to your purchase. Feel the surface for raised print or tactile elements, often found on logos or important text, indicating a high-quality production process. Lastly, verify the presence of official vendor logos and consider if there is a magnetic strip or a functional QR code for electronic verification at entry points. Some passes may also come in secure, tamper-evident packaging. Always buy your passes directly from official vendors or their authorized partners. Cross-reference any suspicious passes or vendor websites with the issuer's official website, such as those for City Pass or New York Pass. Reputable issuers provide clear images and descriptions of their passes and their security features online. Beware of unofficial sites that might offer discounted passes that could be counterfeit or invalid, leading to disappointment and wasted money at attraction entrances. By taking a moment to inspect these critical security details, you can ensure your New York City pass is genuine. This simple step guarantees you can enjoy your adventures without any unexpected hiccups or wasted money, making your visit to the city truly unforgettable.